Hello from Arcaz. Concrete repair is the process of fixing a hardened concrete surface that over time has lost the ability to hold the binding concrete materials together due to damage or environmental exposure. Concrete repair is appropriate for cracks, physical impacts, chipped out surfaces, or surface scaling. List of equipment you need to apply. Surface preparation. The surface of the substrate should be thoroughly cleaned to remove all traces of dust, oil, paint, curing compounds, grease, corrosion deposits, algae, or any unsound material which might affect subsequent bond between repair mortar and the substrate. Where preparation techniques result in voids of greater than 3 mm depth, it will be necessary to use PioRep patch to make local repairs before overcoating with PioRep FC. Oil and grease deposits are best removed by steam cleaning, detergent scrubbing, or the use of a proprietary degreaser. The effectiveness of decontamination should be assessed by a pull-off test. Mixing of PioRep patch. Put 4.25 to 4.75 liters of clean water. This amount is for a full 25 kilogram bag of PioRep patch. Enabond ACR should be added to the mixing water for special application to provide more physical and mechanical properties. Substitute 1 liter of water with 1 liter of Enabond ACR. Start mixing while adding the powder gradually, and continue mixing till homogeneous free from lumps mortar is obtained. Application of PioRep patch. Apply the mixed materials during the open time onto the required area of patching by gloved hands or a trowel. Mixed mortar should be applied using firm pressure to fully compact the mortar and ensure good adhesion on substrate. Finishing of PioRep patch. PioRep patch is finished by striking off with a straight edge and closing with a steel or plastic float. Damp sponges or plastic floats may be used to achieve a desired surface texture, but care should again be taken not to overwork the surface. Curing of PioRep patch. Curing of repaired areas should be carried out as soon as possible after the surface has been repaired. Spray water twice a day for 3 days on the prepared surface. Mixing of PioRep FC. Care should be taken to ensure that PioRep FC is thoroughly mixed. In all cases, the powder should be added to the water and mixed strictly in accordance with appropriate procedure. For each 20 kilogram bag, 5.75 to 6.25 liters of water. Always start with the minimum quantity of water and add to the maximum if needed. Always add the powder to the water. With the mixer in operation, add 1 full bag of PioRep FC, or multiples thereof, and mix continuously for 5 minutes until fully homogeneous. Application of PioRep FC. Apply the fully mixed PioRep FC to the prepared substrate, up to 3 mm thickness, one go by steel trowel. If 5 mm thickness is required, application must be in multiple layers. If a very smooth finish is required, a small amount of water may be flicked onto the surface of the PioRep FC with a paintbrush prior to final troweling. Finishing of PioRep FC. PioRep FC is finished by striking off with a straight edge and closing with a steel or plastic float. Damp sponges or plastic floats may be used to achieve a desired surface texture, but care should again be taken not to overwork the surface. Curing of PioRep FC. Curing of PioRep FC is not generally required. However, under extreme drying conditions, high temperatures or drying winds, cure by spraying water twice a day for 3 days on the prepared surface. For any inquiries or technical information, do not hesitate to contact Technical Service Department of Arcaz We are available to assist you in the correct and best use of our products.